Introduction to Mensuration 3D.
Hello Vidya. Till now we have read the properties of two-dimensional figures like square, rectangle, trapezium and so on. We studied how to determine the area occupied by these closed figures.
Yes, I remember. There we measured the length and breadth of these figures as well.
Right. Now in daily life, we come across various figures like almirah, pencil, rubber, Rubik's cube, etc.
Yes, sir, I know. In fact, nowadays I am solving a puzzle, Rubik's cube.
Okay, Vidya, you know such figures are three-dimensional figures. But do you know why are they called three-dimensional figures?
No, I don't know.
Because in these figures, three dimensions, that is length, breadth and height are there.
Yes.
So, today we will start with a new chapter, that is Mensuration 3D, where we will discuss three-dimensional solid figures, that is cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, etc. one by one in detail. Look at the figure Vidya.
Sir, it's an almirah, a rectangular-like shape.
Vidya, this shape is called cuboid. Three dimensions length, breadth and height are also very well visible here. Now, tell me what would you like to keep in this almirah?
Obviously, my clothes, as I have lots and lots of dresses to wear.
Okay. Vidya, you know the maximum number of clothes that you can put in an almirah depends on the capacity or volume of this almirah. Thus, we determine the volume for all the 3D solid figures as area of base into height.
It means volume is the amount of space inside the solid figure.
Yes, since almirah is a cuboid-like shape,